Okay, good evening to all. So this is Junior IAS Foundation course, especially for school students. So this is ideally suited for anyone who's studying 8th standard onwards. This course encourages the students to develop critical thinking and staying updated on current affairs, general knowledge. Also, it helps students not only excel in their own the curriculum, the school examinations, but also for future academic professional endeavors like those who are preparing for IIT JEE. So one of India's, not only India's, it is one of world's one of the toughest examinations. IIT JEE, then NEET, those who want to aspire to become an doctors, and CLAT, take LLB course or BL course, law course, or those who want to join Army, Air Force or Navy, so armed forces like they can write NDA or CDS examination, or they can write IAS or IPS or IRS examinations. So every year, even this year also, many professional graduates are entering into IAS, IPS examination. IAS professionals means the doctors and engineers. Engineers from various colleges, especially from IIT also. And dear students, please type competitive examinations maybe after +2. What do you want to become? Please type everyone. IAS, 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 IAS. Any of them IAS. UPSC. That is UPSC means IAS. Okay. Doctor. Okay. From doctor also you can write IAS. IAS. NEET. Doctor then IAS. Okay. IIT JEE and the UPSC. Very good. Army. Very good. Fatima Begum wants to join Army. Please appreciate everyone. Fatima Begum and Sri Nitish UPSC and TNBSC examinations also. So in TNBSC means Tamil Nadu Public Service Commission. There you can become the topmost examinations. Like in the Group 1 cadre examination, like you can become a deputy collector. Very good. Congratulations. So to become an IAS, there are two routes. One, you can write directly UPSC examination. UPSC means Union Public Service Commission examinations, which every year conducts. The name of the examination is Civil Service Examination to recruit aspirants for various All India posts like IAS, IPS, IRS. IAS stands for Indian Administrative Service. Only toppers will get IAS. Next, IFS, Indian Foreign Service. So they may be put in various foreign embassies like High Commissioner and Ambassador. I already explained in the previous class the difference between Ambassador and High Commissioner. Can anyone recollect and type the difference between Ambassador and High Commissioner? And IPS, Indian Police Service. Then IRS, Indian Revenue Service. Indian Revenue Service means Income Tax Assistant Commissioner. The first posting is Income Tax Assistant Commissioner. First posting for IAS is Assistant Collector Training. And upon completion of the training, you will be posted as Assistant Collector. Then within 3 years, you will become a Collector of a district. Then Secretary and Senior Secretary. Then the topmost post in the status, Chief Secretary, and the highest post for the senior most civil servant, the senior most IAS officer in India will be holding the post of Cabinet Secretary. Cabinet Secretary, topmost post for IAS. For IPS officer, Director General of Police. Okay, so if you have any basics of, if you have any doubts, because we have seen many classes there, last class also we have conducted one quiz. This also in this class also we are continuing the quiz with the detailed explanations. So if you have any doubts on any various career opportunities, career guidance, you can ask me now. Sir, what are the exams for central government? Central government, like, you can write UPSC examinations. Then you can write SSC exam. SSC. SSC. SSC stands for, anyone know what is the expansion of SSC? Staff Selection Commission. Staff Selection Commission. So the through Staff Selection Commission will be various offices like income tax offices. I wrote this examination, Staff Selection Commission examination. Also I cleared this SSC. I was posted as a preventive officer, customs officer in Mumbai airport. Later I resigned to start an institute. In UPSC also I went up to interview. Those days without much awareness about the examination. At that time it was two optional paper. Now the examinations are simplified. And also it will be very useful for appearing for Olympiad examination, Mathematics Olympiad and the Science Olympiad. So once you are preparing for Olympiad, then automatically you are preparing for IIT JEE also. Olympiad is one of the topmost examinations for school students. Right? Any other questions? So what do you learn from this course? General knowledge and current affairs and out of the box thinking to develop mathematical aptitude. Out of the box thinking is very, very important in all field, to improve your logical and reasoning skills. And science and technology, especially the IT field, information technology. Later I'll teach you to learn how to write an algorithm and how to write coding also. Coding means a basic programming language skills. So once you write an algorithm, then that algorithm can be converted into any language, C or Python or any other language. So, and also we covering the general knowledge and social subjects also, geography, polity, history and geography. How can we clear the UPSC examination? So UPSC, to write UPSC examination, to civil service examination, there are two qualifications. First is you must have completed degree. Any degree, can be a professional degree or BA, BSc, BCom or MBBS or BE, BTech, anything, law, BL. Then the age must be 21 years must have completed. Which examination do you write to become a doctor? To become a doctor, first examination is you are supposed to plus two. You are supposed to write appear for NEET examination. Can anyone tell me what is the expansion of NEET examination? UG undergraduate course that is called MBBS. What is the expansion of MBBS? Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery. And what is the most preferable degree? What is the most preferable degree means for what? National Eligibility Entrance Test. Very good. For IAS. So for IAS, nothing like that. There are many toppers, all India toppers with professional degree backgrounds. Many engineers and doctors are entering into civil services IAS examinations. Toppers, I'm talking about toppers, irrespective of every degree. Sir, if we study IIT, what I will become? If we see in IIT, it is an engineering college, right? It is an engineering degree. The topmost engineering degree is offered in IIT. IIT engineering degree is internationally acclaimed than any other college engineering degree. For example, the current CEO of Google, IIT engineering graduates. What is his name? Sundar Pichai. Which year of the college you can start preparing for the UPSC? Most of them they start their preparations only after completing their degree. But during the course of your degree, you can prepare the foundation better from first year or second year onwards, especially current affairs and daily reading newspapers and reading the NCERT fundamentals, CBSE books you are supposed to read. Any other questions? So which year of the college can we start preparing? Okay, that I answered. Any other questions? So I told you the students to create a mail ID like this. Your name dot your standard dot year at gmail.com, preferably Gmail. Also WhatsApp to this number. Class link, the live class links will be sent to you from this number only. So now we'll discuss the questions. The weight of the body. So these questions are based on the previous class. I explained the concept very clearly in the previous session. Now we are going to discuss in detail questions. The weight of the body will be minimum at. So read question carefully, apply the concept, then answer correctly. I explained clearly in the last class. The weight of the body will be minimum at. I told you, you type in the chat box, even if it is wrong also, no issue. Our aim is to learn the unknown. Knowledge is power. So some answer the equator, B, Tropic of Cancer. Okay. I told you the weight of the body. So what is the formula for weight of the? This is W is equal to M into mass is same everywhere. Mass will not vary from place to place, but weight vary from place to place. Why? Because W is equal to the M into G. G is gravity. Gravity vary from place to place, planet to planet. If you go towards the center of the earth, the gravity increases. If the distance between the earth center and the place is lesser than the other, then the gravity is more. So therefore, I told you at pole or at equator, where the gravity will be more. Is pole or south poles and north poles. Or poles are nearer to the center or equator is nearer to the center. Poles are nearer to the center. Therefore, more gravity. Therefore, the weight of the body will be maximum at the pole, minimum at the equator. So the answer is option 1. D is the answer. D is the answer. So the weight of the body will be minimum at the equator. Any question? Cleared? If you have any doubt, you can ask me. So without clearing all of your doubts, I won't go to the next questions. If you have any doubt, you can always interrupt me because it's a live session. You can always interrupt. You can always ask doubts. Even students hesitate to ask doubts in person, in direct class. But in online, you are supposed to type only. So therefore, even you can type, sir, please explain once again. I could not understand. Again, I'll do. I told you I have been taking live classes from 2010 onwards. So therefore, 14 years live class sessions. So therefore, I know the students' mentality. Okay, shall we go to the next question? So this concept also I explained clearly in the last class. Electromagnetic waves of different wavelengths. This is very, very, very important. It finds application in many fields. Answer this. See, this is the electromagnetic spectrum. I explained with this electromagnetic spectrum and applications, everything in the last class. Gamma ray being the highest frequency. So therefore, wavelength and frequency are inversely proportional. So if the frequency is highest, then wavelength will be lowest. So from radio wave, microwave, infrared, visible, ultraviolet, X-ray, gamma ray, the frequency increases. Similarly, from gamma ray, X-ray, ultraviolet rays, visible, infrared, microwave, radio waves, then wavelength increases. So the applications also I explained in the last class. So now you answer the question. Okay. Listen carefully. All the wordings are very important. They ask descending order of frequency, not the wavelength. Descending order. So what is the answer? So it is frequency descending order. Descending means what? Higher to lower. So we know that the most highest frequency for X-ray. Therefore, the option is A. Excellent. Almost every one of you answered A, except one or two answered B. For B, for this not ascending order. For option A, for descending order. What is asked is descending order. Understood? So the viewing of free sessions available only up to this stage. So the viewing of free sessions available up to this stage, Junior IAS Foundation course. If you want to enroll to attend some of the free sessions, save this number and WhatsApp message to this number. WhatsApp as Junior IAS. We'll continue this session in live, but only up to this stage is freely available in YouTube. Thank you. So next question. Who was the first Indian to be elected to the British Parliament? Dadabhai Naoroji, M.G. Ranade, Keshav Chandra Sen, but manufactured by Bombas of Argentina. Correct combination of two words. There are many things are there. Example, tell me. Very good. Sunflower,